Yet again, we have another mascara release from the drugstore. This one is from Covergirl. I just reviewed the one from Maybelline and the one from L'Oreal. So this one is the Covergirl Exhibitionist Uncensored Mascara, up to 24-hour wear. It says big, bold volume, and that's what the brush looks like. I did review the Covergirl Exhibitionist Mascara, but I guess this is the uncensored version. I don't know. We'll see how it looks like. Of course, as you already know, if you're new to my channel, I always do the waterproof version because I have very tiny little straight lashes that will never hold a curl, and this formula definitely helps hold a curl for me better. It's a 990 Extreme Black, and this is what the packaging looks like. Very different than the regular Covergirl Exhibitionist, which was just like a gray bottle. This one is black. Eye-opening effect. Waterproof, smudge-proof, ophthalmologist tested. Price of this right here. I do like the packaging of this one. It just says uncensored. Favorite drugstore mascaras are from Maybelline and L'Oreal. I have tried some Covergirl, but the ones that really are like, oh my god, to me are those two. So let's see how well this one is gonna perform. Get 0.3 ounces. And I'll leave a playlist of all the mascara that I have reviewed if you want to see that. Alright, so you already know I have to curl these lashes as I will never get a curl. Like, look how little and straight my lashes are. They need to be curled. Alright, so I'm just gonna pump this a couple of times and we're gonna go straight in with the mascara. Can you even see them? Like, they're so light. I know you can see them a little better, but what a difference. Just show you the brush. That is pretty. That's one coat. It's looking nice. It's definitely holding up the curl, and you already know we have to go in with one more coat. Wow, that is really pretty. It's really giving like a lot of length. Wow. Should we do one more? Let's do one more before we go on to this eye, and I'll show you how 3 coats and 1 coat looks. Oh my god, so this is really good. I'll tell you something. This is the type of mascara that is good like for layering, because right now any other mascara would have clumped up so bad, and they still look nice and separated. And apply 1 coat here so you can see the difference if you were just to put 1. Even with 1 coat, like, you could see a huge difference. I'm definitely liking this one a bit more than the regular Covergirl Exhibitionist. I feel like the brush is really good because it really like gets the root so good. You just can't let this dry because it's not a wet formula, so it dries quickly. So if you're gonna put several coats, like, wait just a couple of seconds and do the next one. You see this length, right? Like, you saw what my lashes look like. Now let's see what it's gonna do to the lower lashes. The application is not the best. I have to clean this up a little, but just look at that. I don't know, not everybody likes to put mascara in the bottom lashes, but I definitely do. The way it opens up the eye is like, wow. But just be careful, because the way the brush is, you could really like smudge it all over. So every time I think I have a favorite, then I try a new one to review for you, and it's like, oh my god, like, I thought that one was my favorite, but now is this one my favorite? I don't know. I do have to let you know if this smudges, because if it does, then it's a no-no for the bottom lashes. But yeah, I definitely recommend this as of now as first impressions. I really like it. So much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. Subscribe if you're not. Click the little notification bell. That way you will be the first to get notified every time I post a new video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.